Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my unboxing video. This is the planner that I got from Atelier Neorah for 2024. I used their petite weekly planner for 2023 and it was amazing. So I decided to choose from the same company. The paper is great, there's no ghosting. The organizer is of excellent quality, so I decided to go for the A6 this time, so it's easier to make an everyday carry. To be honest, I was waiting for them to come out with their 2024 duo planners. Last year they had A6 daily planners where they had two notebooks, 6 months in one notebook and 6 months in the other. As soon as I realized that they're not planning to do that this year, I grabbed this particular book. This is the organizer that I got. They have really quality stitching. The shade of pink is really classy and I really love it. The planner that I got is in the A6 size, as I mentioned. It has the yearly layout, a monthly layout, a weekly layout, and also daily pages, which I think I will need this year. It also comes with this little user guide, which I think is really nice to include for beginners, but I was just too impatient to see the notebook, so I just flipped through it. They always use this plastic covering over the books, so it keeps the paper very safe during shipping, which I think is necessary in India. I'm also really glad I found a company that is in India. I love buying products made in India. The paper thickness is excellent. I can use most of my pens in it. There are just a couple of the markers that show a little bit of bleeding on the other side. The cover as well is sturdy enough to carry without an organizer. My 2023 weekly is still in very good shape. You can see that slipping the book into the cover looks like a bit of a struggle, but this is just something you need to do once and then that's it, you can forget about it. In the beginning I tried to put the front cover inside. I found it a little hard to close. That's because the cover is not relaxed yet. The button is also kind of tight, but that's because it's really fresh and new. So I'm trying to put the back cover inside, and that made it a lot more comfortable. I loved my weekly so much that I've repurchased another one for 2024, which I'll be using as my academic planner. This looks really cute and it's really nice next to the weekly size, which I'll be showing you right now. Stay tuned for a flip through of my 2023 planner as well. I'm very happy with my purchase. I would highly recommend this planner to everyone.